The ultra-terrestrials, I think, have you heard of the P-52s and the P-47s? Do you know what that is? They're us from the future.
Amy Eskridge， 佢喺美國火箭城出生，佢係一個研究反重力技術嘅年輕科學家，聲稱有未來人嘅資訊。喺2022年6月11號，喺佢嘅住宅內發現身亡，現場遺留下有致命槍傷，享年34歲。當地嘅警方同埋法醫將案件歸類為自殺。爸爸係 NASA 嘅頂尖工程師，而佢自己就擁有化學、生物、電機工程、物理、基因工程、納米技術跨越多個科學領域嘅大腦。到底佢係咪真係透露咗好多普通人唔應該知，或者佢做咗啲普通人唔應該做嘅嘢？如果大家覺得呢類內容值得繼續探索，記得幫我訂閱、點讚、分享同埋開啟小鈴鐺，等我知道呢個主題值得發掘更多細節。仲有留言分享你嘅睇法。
Well, Nicole, just before her death in 2022, Amy Eskridge had announced plans to present her groundbreaking work with anti-gravity technology. The 34-year-old had been openly experimenting in the field and founded a research company called the Institute for Exotic Science to establish a more public space for development.
上一集3小時嘅 interview 裏面，佢無意之間爆出自己同 Hal Puthoff 傾到 extraterrestrials 同埋 ultraterrestrials， 而 Hal 呢位90歲仍然相當活躍嘅傳奇人物，我哋將來會製作一個系列俾佢。講返 Amy， 佢透露咗 ultraterrestrials P47、P52， 佢哋係幾萬年之後嘅未來人回到現代。同時講到不久嘅將來會發生一場大災難，末日一樣嘅情景，令到幾乎所有人類都滅絕。有一部分人進入地底繼續生存，而有部分人留喺地面奇蹟地活下來。關於佢嘅離世，雖然官方記錄係咁寫，但係佢生前已經預先留下咗另外一個講法。如果你見到報告話係我自殺，我絕對冇做過。如果你見到報告話我食藥致死，我絕對冇做過。如果你見到報告話我殺埋其他人嘅話，我絕對冇做過。而喺其他未完全公開、內部流出嘅資料當中， Amy 可能仲有一啲重要細節仲未完全交代清楚，可能同未來人返嚟嘅真正原因，同埋背後有一個更大嘅內幕有關。
I started the Institute for one reason. One reason, the Institute. I started it as a public-facing persona to disclose anti-gravity technology through.
But you were asked like many times, well, if people know this shit, then why is it just like Rumorville, and why is it never publicly released? And like people tell you in confidence and conversation, but they never really go public with it, or they never really publish it. It's just like Rumorville, USA.
點解一個天之上好似擁有一切，心裏邊只係想改變人類命運，幫助人類文明再往前走一步嘅人？
And why is that? And of course the glaring obvious answer is because these motherfuckers are afraid for their lives.
最後只可以喺新聞上見到佢嘅死訊。如果你想繼續跟進 Amy 同埋 P47、P52 未來人嘅內容，記得訂閱、點讚同埋分享，仲有留言分享你嘅睇法，等我知道好多人鍾意呢個題目，並且有動力研究落去。下一集我哋會從 Amy 本人嘅故事開始，一齊發掘未來人嘅更多細節。我哋下集見。不過喺 Amy 留低嘅線索裏面，仲出現咗一張名單。Amy 提過名單裏面有5個人，佢哋被稱為獨立發現反重力技術嘅研究者。當中包括歷史上面嘅名字，亦都有當代嘅人物，而其中有一個 Amy 就有同佢接觸過。呢一個人自稱係時間旅行者，亦都聲稱自己獨立推導出第5到第8種基本力，當中包括反重力。佢仲聲稱自己經歷過完整嘅 20 and back。呢一個人究竟會係邊個？定係佢只係同 Amy 講笑？